Why should we price up? When should we price up?
I do think you should always be thinking about how can I price up? When can I do it? Repricers, they generally want to go down because they want to beat someone else by a penny. I've seen that where like all day long, people go down by a penny and against each other. So what we have done is, between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m., we just price up because of those other people that are using aggressive repricers. You give them a chance, and by the end of that period, maybe the market's moved up $1.50. Then another situation is during the middle of the day, we'll just price up for 30 minutes just to do it. I don't have a ton of data on it. I just want to keep finding reasons to do it.
At Miami 2022, you said that you started pricing up at nighttime and increased your margin from 14% to 18%. Did you start pricing up at daytime during the same time?
Yeah, that's the strategy.